So once you register, which I hope you will do soon, I'm going to show you what the course will look like and what all's involved there and how to get started and everything. What we start with is our sign-in screen will look like this. You will have an email that you register into your account along with the password, and then you'll just come here to sign in. And notice our login information or our URL that will be provided to you in an email as well, open-global-village.digitalchalk.com auth login. Okay, so I get you there. We log into the account. All the courses that you're registered will be right here. And here's our Mindful Math for GRE Success. I currently have it in preview mode. Yours will be active and going forward. So I'm going to get myself out of the way here, and now we can just focus on the course itself. So I'll click here or here. Let me preview it. There we go. So this is actually entering the course again in preview mode. What I've done is all the elements of the course are here. The ones that are grayed out are because you need to go through the first steps first and then work through it. And it'll guide you. So that once you finish one, you can go on to the next. You can always come back to the previous ones and so forth. So I do have this 16-minute video here, which is broken down in chapters, and you can watch it. It has different strategies of why we do what we do, the benefits, a little bit about myself and mindfulness. So this is kind of just introductory information. Hopefully you'll find it helpful. Come back here. The next thing we have available is our resources, and this is there's a video, and you'll see below it that will help you get everything set up. So turning off your pop-up blocker with Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, depending upon which browser you're going to be using, and then some brief instructions on the GRE calculator, because what we've done, we did not create the calculator, but it is available to you for free. We provide that resource. You can download it and use it. And in our videos, we use the GRE calculator because that's the only one that's going to be allowed. So then what you'll see in the next one under resources, there's places, links to download various resources such as practice tests that the GRE folks make available for everyone for free. So we have some free resources in there for you to help with your studying. Then a few introductory videos, one on mindfulness practice and math, how it can help. And then we get you right started. So notice this is the ratio module. It's a workbook. So you'll download a PDF, no additional charge. And it will have the problems that you'll be working through and so forth. Then we take you through some activities, understanding fractions, because that's what a ratio really is. So I've developed some culturally based activities that should help you gain a greater understanding of fractions, how they work, and how you'll be using them and in the ratios module. Then we get you right down into concepts and strategies. So we show you some strategies separately, and then we're going to apply those various strategies right in solving GRE problems. So you'll see the module itself starts at 1C, questions 1 through 10. Now, there's questions 1 through 10. Each set of questions has really 2 questions. I will work one question through a video, so you can watch and learn, see how it's done, and then you'll have a similar question that you will work through. Once you're done, you will provide your answer. We check your answer and let you know if it's right or wrong. And then there's a follow-up video where I actually work through it. So if you miss it, you'll see how to actually apply that. You can skip over that if you've got it correct. Let's just go to the next problem. but those are your options. So we'll do that for questions 1 through 10 and then 11 through 19 here in Module 1. Once you complete all those 20 questions, again, or 19 questions doubled up, then it's time for Module number 2, which I call Number Theory. So there's a workbook for that. You download that. It has all the strategies listed there. It also has the questions. And then notice I had to break the concepts and strategies into 2 parts because of video size and such. So some of these things are broken down more. Actually, it looked like I had to do it in 3 parts. I forgot about that. And then the questions themselves took up more space. So there's only questions 1 through 8 in the first Number Theory module, 9 through 14, and then 15 through 21. So we work you through these problems, and these are the sets that will get you into what we call the green zone. Just those 2 modules, and you'll be well prepared to score in that within 1 standard deviation of the mean, 141 or higher. Now, if you would like, and you're feeling confident and comfortable, we've got the practice tests and such for you, but you could also move on to the statistics and probability modules. So that's the workbooks here, the questions are here, the geometry modules here, the questions are here, and then the algebra module keeps going. But what the beauty is on this, I find some students will struggle with the algebra, and rather than trying to get you to relearn algebra, some of you, maybe it just wasn't your thing. Let's just have you go through the modules that you need, maybe up through geometry, maybe only up through the first 2, depending upon what your goal is. But we've made it so that maybe the more difficult ones that would take a longer time, and maybe that never really suited you anyway, you can still get a good score, a passing score, something that will get you into your program and moving forward. And then again, once you go through a module, you can always come back for review. And then we've also got in there links to practice tests so that you can test out your module, your knowledge on applying the techniques that we provide you. So that's what we have in store for you when you come into the course. We're looking forward to working with you. Go ahead and register and get started today. Thanks.